Greetings everyone. Today I would like to talk about two things. First, it's about Erlikhan. Second is about Cham, Mongolian religious dance. What is Cham? Cham is a religious dance, and it's a some ritual. It main goal is to bring happiness to people. It is also a worship to the Lord of Hell, Erlikhan. You may wonder why we worship to the Lord of Hell. It is because the Lord of Hell controls the death, and his wife controls the birth. So we ask them for less death and more birth.
Oh Santa, I've been waiting on you.
That's funny, kid, because I've been coming for you.
Oh Santa, I've been killing just for fun.
We also ask for prosperity, like our livestock grow faster and faster. Let me show you a small video.
Юугах чи нэрвэ. Авас луутай тийм аа. Эрлэгийн элчгээд давшлаад байдаг.
Муу долдон амиг та даварна.
Би тул даас нэг юм. Донглоодоо.
Question to all Hakha Mongols. Since when the Lord of Hell is called Yama? It's always been Erlikhan.